Using the Verissimo Ruleset Editor, you can create new ruleset XML files from scratch, but also easily organize and maintain existing ones. We'll begin with this example ruleset file. In the configuration, it contains tag and git annotations, followed by several rules, organized into 3 categories. Some of those rules have already been customized with user-specified names, various parameters, or tag values. First, let's generate the ruleset editor for this ruleset from the command line. Use the -ruleset argument to specify the location of the input file. The ruleset editor is actually an HTML file which can be generated from Eclipse, VS Code, or the command line. When opened in a browser, the editor starts in rule edit mode, showing all the categories and rules defined in the ruleset. Now, let's walk through some common tasks you'll perform in the editor. For instance, to rename a category, simply click on its name and type in the new one. If you need to move additional rules into the newly renamed category, simply select one or more rules, click the Move to Category button, and then pick the target category from the list of existing categories. To add new rules to our custom ruleset, first switch to Rule Select mode. Then use the filter bar to quickly locate the rules you need. Notice that the rules which are already included in the ruleset are clearly marked. And you can hide them instantly by clicking Hide Added Rules, letting you focus solely on the new candidates you want to incorporate. Now let's select one or more rules, click Add to Category, and pick the target category from the list of existing categories. Now let's return to Rule Edit mode to customize the newly added rules. For example, we can change the severity, the rule parameter values, or the priority, which is one of the custom tag annotations configured in the ruleset. By the way, you can also modify the tag keys if needed. Click the Configuration button to bring up a panel which displays all existing annotations, letting you modify them or add new ones as needed. The ruleset is now ready to be generated. Only changed attributes that differ from their defaults will be written to the XML. If you want finer-grained control over the output, open Generation Preferences. Here, you can decide which attributes should always be written and whether to include extra details about each rule or its parameters. We'll simply preserve the existing style of the file and make sure every rule's parameters are explicitly listed. Finally, click Generate Ruleset and choose the location for the file.